Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a video editor using Sony Vegas Pro and you've hit that frustrating error code 46, don't worry. We're diving straight into what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it in 2025. This error is a common one, especially as software updates roll out, so let's get you back to editing in no time. First off, what exactly is error code 46? In Sony Vegas Pro, this code typically indicates a problem with file access or rendering issues. It often pops up when the program can't find or read a file that's essential for your project, like a missing media file or a corrupted render template. This can halt your workflow and leave you scratching your head, but understanding it is the first step to resolving it. Now, let's talk about the causes. Error code 46 is usually triggered by a few key things. One common culprit is outdated software versions. Sony Vegas Pro might not be fully compatible with your operating system if it's not updated. Another cause could be file permissions issues, especially if you're working on a shared drive or an external hard drive. Corrupted project files or conflicts with other programs, like antivirus software, can also bring this error to the forefront. In some cases, it's related to hardware problems, such as a faulty graphics card or insufficient RAM. Alright, onto the solutions. The part you've been waiting for. Start by updating Sony Vegas Pro to the latest version through the official website. This often patches bugs that cause errors like this. Next, check your project files. Make sure all media files are in the correct location and not moved or deleted. If you're dealing with permissions, right-click on the file or folder, go to Properties, and adjust the security settings to allow full access. If that doesn't work, try restarting your computer and reopening Sony Vegas Pro. It sounds simple, but it clears temporary glitches. You can also run a disk cleanup or use the built-in repair tool in Vegas Pro if available. For more persistent issues, disable your antivirus temporarily while working on your project, as it might be interfering. And if all else fails, consider reinstalling the software or checking for hardware updates. There you have it. Error code 46 demystified and defeated. I hope these steps help you get back to creating amazing videos. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.